I have a big one. I have a big one for you guys who just scrolling through my TikTok. Okay. If you bring 5 people for me, 5 people who sign in, pay the $50 and be active, I will pay you the $10. So you must bring 5 people, they must pay, and I will pay your membership of $10. Let's make it like this. Let's make a competition and to show who wants to make money and who don't want to make money. So if you bring for me 5 people, I will pay your membership for you. For a whole month for you, I will pay it. So bring for my 5 people. 5 people. Bring 5 people and I will pay your membership for you. I can't do it on my computer. So I don't have to pay money to you to do this. I can do it on my computer. So bring 5 people to me and I can pay your membership and you just have to pay $40. That's a big competition I have now on. So for October, bring 5 people for me and I will pay your membership for November. Okay? You hear me? So bring 5 people, they must pay $50, like this 900 rand, and I can pay you $10 for you. I hope you understand. You guys must have a blissful weekend and I will see you tomorrow.